Good morning mga kakikoy ko. Thank you Lord. Another day, another beautiful day. So what I'm doing right now is going to run. And I wanna say happy Father's Day to all my two brother and my one brother-in-law. And all fathers around the world, happy Father's Day you guys. All right, so we'll see how many kilometer do I run today. I have to set up my I have to set up my up run. So ito good morning Gaw, magja-jogging ako ngayon. Ito naka-vlog ka oh. So you should run with me. So mamaya ko i-send na mamaya. So ayan, happy Father's Day Gaw.
Oh my God!
Alright, thank you so much Gaw. So ayan mga kakikoy ko, may tumawag sa akin eh, kaibigan ko. Alright, so ngayon i-set up ko yung Nike run ko. Yan o, hop, magsa-sign in pa ako. Sign in, oh my god, no problem, sign in lang pala eh.
Oh no!
So abangan nyo mga kakikoy ko kung ilang km ang matatakbo ko ngayon. Alright, keep on watching. Did you see the surrounding? It's green because it's summer now here. Alright, my previous vlog was no leaves on the trees. Alright, so nice, very fresh air. Thank you. Did you see the surrounding? It's green because it's summer now here. Alright, my previous vlog was no leaves on the trees. Alright, so nice, very fresh air. Thank you. Merong ano doon, namasyal. Ang ganda talaga na surrounding. Kaya ang sarap mag-jogging. Fresh air, no pollution. Alright. Green environment. Watch this. If I shut off my video, I just say hi like that. Merong ano doon, namasyal. Ang ganda talaga na surrounding. Kaya ang sarap mag-jogging. Fresh air, no pollution. Alright. Green environment. Watch this. If I shut off my video, I just say hi like that. So this is what I did today. Alright. Let's go look. Wow. So I did 5.61. Yan, oh, di ba? 5.61. So with the pace, average pace around 4.57 and to 5.07. So not bad in my age. So as I always say this, thank you very much for supporting my channel. If you are not yet subscribed yet, please click the button down below, Kiko YouTube TV, and press the notification bell so that you are always updated if I have a latest video. Alright, so thank you so much again. Thanks God for another day, another vlog. Kung na notify nyo, galing ako nagtrabaho, naglinis ng kubita. So ngayon, after nung nag-jogging ako, napansin yun, nakadoble ako. 3 yan. Isang sweat shirt, and then long sleeve, and then jersey. Because today is a little bit chilly, but it's manageable. I don't want to hurt my health. Cold and then warm, mixed emotion. Actually, I'm sweating. My sweat shirt is sweet. So again, thank you so much. Bye bye. I will to end this video.